Fifth evidence. Hello, Miss. Today we will talk about the marketing strategies used by the Alicor company in Chile and about its internationalization strategies. Marketing strategies. We will start with the strategies they use in their products in Chile. For that, we must know the Alicor in Chile focuses of the aquaculture sector, which makes all its advertising and communication specialty in the sector. Well, the Peruvian company Alicor complete the purchase of 100% of the shares of the Chilean fish foods process Salma Food SH, which became a strategic acquisition for Alicor due to the growing size of the fish market in the global fish industry, balanced feed for aquaculture in the strength of the Salmon Food brand in the salmon market. Uh, WPP Global Holding that integrates several marketing agencies. Patricio Jaramillo, Vice President of Mass Consumption Peru in Southern Cone of the company, said in an interview, this strategy to integrate our brand advertising communication will elevate to the creative deployment of the company. Likewise, by having a single global network, it will optimize benchmarking between our brands, categories, and company results in the market where we compete. If last slide, now we will talk about the pricing strategy that Alicor has. At one time, Alicor obtained lower margins in the fish food business in Chile because they use the aggressive pricing strategy initiated by our competitors. Today, they seek to migrate from a cost-based pricing methodology to a performance-based pricing methodology. Successful pricing strategies allow increasing earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization margin despite turning down in intense competition.
We continue with marketing strategies about place. Regarding the distribution model, the company markets its products through exclusive distributors, non-exclusive distributors, and wholesalers. And it also considers as part of distribution model companies in the HORECA sector, that is hotels, restaurants, and catering, and also traders, which strengthened the scope of the distribution network and geographic reach. On the other hand, Alicorp complements its presence in supermarket and mandatory place for the exhibition and commercialization of its lines. Its powerful distribution network is a key success factor. The main reason for the presence of the wholesale channel or wholesale customers are the administrative complexity of handling a large number of customers, the sales force, and management of order flow. There are exclusive distribution channel customers. The aim is that through the exclusive distribution channel, the products can be available to the consumer in the largest number of points of sale. There are also industrial customers. The decision to purchase industrial products is very different from that made by the consumer products buyer, since the industrial products buyer will have to subordinate his decision to technical imperative imposed by the specific use of the product. And finally, modern channel, that is supermarkets and self-service stores. The growth of the purchasing power of the middle class in the country is driving the growth of the modern channel, the development of the economy, and the new alternative for financing the end consumer are causing this channel to increase its shares in the composition of sales. The final customers is the consumer of the product, and in order to manage this customer and really find out how to meet their needs, the company develops a diversified portfolio of products in all its product categories. This allows it to reach different socioeconomic sectors. With marketing strategies, the company is able to position its products in the final consumer by offering a higher value per product and prices appropriate to the purchase power of the population. About promotion, it classified its business lines into economic, standard, and premium, according to the lifestyle segmentation of its customers. It also maintained a diversified product portfolio that allowed it to effectively serve the different segments of the market. For people with a sophisticated lifestyle, it is developing new products with greater added value that are aligned with consumer trends, such as healthy products in the case of the food line, or specialized products in the cleaning line. For people with a conservative lifestyle, it is developing products for family use in larger packages at economical prices. As a mass consumer business, its customers are the entire market, which must be segmented effectively by knowing the lifestyle and therefore the particular needs in order to develop effective products for each type of customers. To do this, it uses advertising messages that can reach different audiences. For example, for women with modern lifestyle, they advertise the image of the woman who can access easy to prepare products without neglecting the time she spent on personal care. Another example is the variety of cereals for different types of consumers, such as Angel Fibra for sophisticated people who take care of their diet, or Pepe Almohada and Tito Almohada for family consumption, especially for children. Alicorp's market dominance covers all socioeconomic in most of its product categories.
With the explication, we're going to talk about the internationalization strategy. The Peruvian company of mass consumer products, Alicorp, part of the Romero Group, seeks to consolidate its expansion through the acquisition of companies, both in Peru and in other Latin American countries. Part of Alicorp's growth strategy is to go through not only the launch of its products line regionally, but also through a process of acquisitions. That is why we are analyzing the opportunities to know more about them. With the operations in Argentina, they are growing in the market of the Southern Common Market, Mercosur, and production will increase not only for the region, but also for Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador. The acquisitions also strengthens Alicorp's operations at the international level, especially in the Andean region, where they will seek to consolidate their operations due to the similarity of consumer behavior in those countries related to Peru. Peru and Bolivia and Ecuador have similar cultures, and those countries will be the main engines for Alicorp. The model used by Alicorp for its internationalization is one of expansion, based on cultural proximity, as I said. First, the neighbors or countries close to us.
The company is also focused on increasing its profitability in countries with difficult economic situations such as Argentina and Brazil. In this growth strategy, the digital transformation will be crucial, in which the contribution will be seen in the new electronic commerce platform, which will allow you to get closer not only to winmakers, but also your end consumers. Regarding international process, the objective is the generation of the efficiency in which the acceleration of our portfolios at the points of sale is being promoted through analytical models. B2B strategy. Alicorp decided to separate its products for sale to industrial companies, business to business, from its mass consumer products to achieve a better relationship with the industrial customer. This segment is comprised of the bakery, large industry, and food service category. Products in this line included industrial flours, industrial margarines, industrial shortenings, and products for restaurants such as olives, oils, sauces, and premises, among others. The business line operates in Peru and Bolivia, and it has approximately 45 brands. Among the main ones are Nicolini, Santa Rosa, Blanca Nieve, Inca, Victoria, Macbel, and Torre Blanca. This segment is the third largest contributor to the company's total sales, with the participation of 22.8% and 22% for the years 2018 and 2019, respectively, and 21.4% and 19.8% for the second quarter of the 2019 and 2020, respectively.
Okay, continuing with the presentation, we will see the conclusions. Chilean company Salmo Food S.H. accepted the offer of Peruvian Alicorp to purchase 100% of its shares for a total of $62 million United States dollars. The operations will be carried out throughout Alicorp, its subsidiary Nutrition Animal Science. Its activity are related to Salmo Foods business, the productions and marketing of fish feed such as salmon, with 11% of the market. Its headquarters are located in the city of Castro on Chile Island. Regarding its international sales, one of the main foreign markets is Chile, which consume animal nutrition products, representing 8.5%. Alicorp maintains a leading positions at the national levels under a constant improvement in the product mix, managing approximately 120 brands. Alicorp, its objective is to strengthen the commercial sector to increase sales. As such, the company will include more platforms that help markets identify the products that consumers want. Among the tools that Alicorp will use is a big data to manage the information. In addition to using machine learning and artificial intelligence to have more precise algorithms. Finally, the retail sector is going through a great digital transformations due to the increase in technology and access to information available to users, causing demand to be more personalized and aligning with the last digital trends. Alicorp has taken of the challenge of being able to transform operations to improve the commercial actions of the company in its three business: mass consumptions, B2B, and animal nutrition. Okay, that's all, Miss. Thank you.